Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the crew error warning broken suspension 1. The error reads, "You have been disconnected from the crew servers. Please contact customer support with the exact following error code for further troubleshooting." As per our research, the error appears while playing the game and results in disconnection from the servers. According to our research, the error could be related to your region settings or network issues. The first thing you should try is selecting the most appropriate region manually instead of leaving it set to automatic, and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then try closing and restarting the game, and see if the error still comes. At last, if you still get the error, then check if your game needs any updates. If there is an update available, install it and then check if the issue still occurs. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.